Good morning and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, if you're just joining me for my advent calendar that I'm doing all the way through from the 1st of December till the 25th of December, you are so welcome. If you have not seen the other episodes, there will be a little card in the corner for the playlist, so you can go and see those and then come back, and I'll wish you happy 4th of December all over again. Right, so as we open every morning, I have pre-boiled my cup of tea. And then we just need to get a tea bag. Right. Come on. Okay, so today is the 4th. Oh, yay! So yesterday I said that I wanted something something that would taste like Christmas, and today my prayers have been answered. I've got 3 cinnamon. So that is a sweet embrace of organic Indian, Indonesian and Vietnamese cinnamon. Ooh. Nom 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 nom. Popping up in there. Rubbish on the floor. Oh, and my candle arrived. I was talking about my my favourite Christmas scented candle, which is the spiced orange from Yankee Candle. Oh, honestly, it's got this really beautiful combination of just cinnamon and like Christmas spices with this really fruity orange. Ooh, my word. A really nice scented candle, guys. That is such a good Christmas present idea as well. But if you're stuck with someone, get them a really nice scented candle. Perfect. We need some chocolate in our life for... Whoop. Oh, we get a little mini chocolate ball. That will do. So I would be interested to know if anyone's watching. If anyone's watching, is anybody watching? Hello? Sorry. In Norway or in Scandinavia, we celebrate Christmas on the 24th. So we don't do the early morning Christmas Day on the 25th like a lot of other people do. I think that the way that we do it is the way that Europe does it, because I'd never been anywhere, heard of anyone or know anyone who celebrate on the 25th before I came to England. So obviously in England you do it, and I'm pretty sure like New Zealand and Australia and obviously America, you celebrate on the 25th. I'm interested to know with you guys who are watching, which way around are you doing it and where are you from? Please let me know down below in the comments. So in Norway, on the 24th, you would get up in the morning, you'd find your stocking that's been left by Santa, and then you'd take that stocking and bring it to the TV, and you'll watch all the same Christmas shows as you watch every single year, and you're not bored. Like, there's 2 channels in Norway, and they both send stuff that you want to watch, or that someone wants to watch the one and someone else wants to watch the other. It's not been unknown in my house that we've usually had 2 TVs, so there'll be some people watching one and some people watching the other. It's a problem. But you'll have like Christmas with Donald Duck or Christmas with Mickey, and then we also got this one series which is literally, it's Cinderella, but it was made in the Czech Republic, and they don't watch it, but we do, and it's the funniest thing because basically the whole thing is obviously translated, because we don't speak Czech, by one guy. So this one guy is doing the voices of all of them, and it's hysterical, and we watch it every single year, and I love it so much. It's not Christmas without it, basically. So then you do that, you watch on TV. Nowadays, obviously, I'm an adult, so I need to help with some food preparations, maybe set the table, you know, stuff like that. If I'm not needed, which quite often I am not, don't know why, useless. But quite often I'm not needed, so we will keep watching TVs or we'll just lounge around and then slowly but surely start to get ready. When I was younger, we would go to church. It would be like a service around like 4 o'clock-ish, 3-4 o'clock-ish, like a Christmas service, which was really, really nice. And then my dad would always go to the graveyard to kind of visit his dad, before we went on to celebrate with my grandparents, which is where we would go more or less every single year, and which is where I'm going this year as well, and I'm so excited! Oh, their apartment is so beautiful. I can't wait to show it off to you. They live in this city called Drammen, and they kind of live up in the mountainside, so they look down on it. It's amazing. I will show you, don't you worry. Oh, hopefully there'll be snow. I know there's snow right now. We're not guaranteed snow on Christmas Eve, though the later years we have had it. Okay, so then people usually arrive in the evening, and then we have food, and then after food we will open presents. Well no, food, kind of dessert, cakes, chocolate, like you can't move, and then we start opening presents. And the way we do it usually takes an hour to 3 hours depending on how many people are celebrating with us. We have one person reading out what's on the tag, and then we wait until that person has opened the present, and then we move on. There's no free-for-all. Absolutely not. And I love that. Even if it takes a little bit longer, it takes longer, so you get to cherish the moment for longer, and I'm a stickler for that, because it's a moment that makes everyone feel really good. The person who's giving feels really good, because you get to see the reaction on the person's face, and hopefully they'll like it. And then obviously receiving things is humbling, and also, you know, really, really nice. Who doesn't enjoy getting some stuff? The best thing is watching the little ones open their presents, because it's like, wow, is all this for me? And it's just great. My sister's got 2 little ones, and they're just in that like prime cutie like time of their childhood where everything's just fantastic. Well, for me at least, so I get to come and be auntie. So yeah, I'm just really, really excited. So that's basically how we celebrate. And then on the 25th, which is Christmas Day here, we basically have a brunch. So all the leftover food and extra food and more just food, so much food, glorious food. Anyone who didn't celebrate with us, because we do kind of like every other year, because obviously my sister will go celebrate with her partner's family every other year, and then we'll come back. So this year is everyone together year, which is great. So it's going to be loads of us. But then if they weren't there, they would come on the 25th. So we all get together on the 25th, talk about the night before, get stuffed again, watch more TV, and just be with family. It's so great. So cinnamony. Like, if you could sum up Christmas in one flavour, surely it must be cinnamon. Oh, that's really, really nice. Could do with a tiny bit of sugar. I don't usually put sugar in the pucker teas because I don't feel like it needs it. But a little bit of sugar, just a tad bit of sugar in this cinnamon tea. Nom 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 nom. Could probably get away with a little bit of milk as well. Right, let's open today's little box. Oh, crisis averted. So today is number 4. I've got too much stuff going on here now. Oh my god. It's right there. It's always the last place you look, eh? Okay, so today's box looks like that. That's really, really cute. And it says here, gifted mathematician Ada Lovelace. Ada Lovelace is considered the world's first computer programmer. Well, there you go. How? I don't really want to destroy these. I'm kind of keeping the boxes. Wow, this is like fortified. Probably because it's that like triangle shape, like it's shaped like that. Arr. What is this? Apple taffy. Shine lip liquid. Ooh. Swatch, shall we, seeing as we've had a makeup product. Ooh, looks like a really wearable nude colour. Oh, and one of those plastic packaging thingies that you just break a nail trying to get into. I will break a nail for you guys. Ooh, might be a little bit orange for me actually. Maybe, maybe not. Okay. Oh, I love a dough foot like this, the ones that got little a little hole in it, because it just keeps more product in there. Well, actually, it's quite sheer. That could look really pretty. I think the colour itself, if it was more pigmented, that wouldn't work for me. I'm sorry, what now? Oh, that smells so good. Now that is that really old-fashioned type of gum, like proper bubble gum, but that bubble gum that had a bit of like hint of sourness to it. That is literally, that's all I can tell you. It's a sour pink bubble gum. Oh, that smells so good. Why? Doesn't taste it. Oh, that's so good. Seriously, you should buy it just to smell it. Yay! I'm so excited about this. Oh, that's amazing. Right, so this was the Appitaffel. So this was the Appitaffel. Appitaffel. It's the 006, and it says Shine Lip Liquid with argan, jojoba, and marula oil. Okay guys, so that was our 10 minutes this morning. I hope you'll have a lovely, lovely day. Make sure you take time to check in with yourself. Make sure you do something to help you along in your Christmas spirit. And I will see you tomorrow bright and early. Bye bye.